Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 20 ways to make money from home, so make sure to watch the full video. Whether you're looking for a full-time income or a gig to earn some extra money on the side, there are plenty of ways to earn money while working from home. Among its many benefits, home-based jobs offer flexibility to make your own schedule and enjoy a strong work-life balance. Reviewing ideas to make money at home can help you determine which you're most interested in pursuing. How to make money at home. Some call it working from home, also known as WFH, while others refer to it as home-based employment. Here are 20 ideas you might consider to make money at home. 1. Become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant, VA, provides clients with administrative services from a remote location, such as a home office. They handle various responsibilities for their clients, like making travel plans, performing online research, and checking emails. 2. Pet sitting. If you enjoy animals, you may consider pet sitting. This is a good way to earn money directly from your home by watching someone's pets at your home. Though most sitters perform their duties at the pet owner's home. You may need to invest in marketing and insurance if you operate out of your own home. Further, you also might want to speak with an accountant and or bookkeeper, as well as a lawyer to discuss liability. 3. Sell your possessions online. Survey your home and look for items you no longer use, such as furniture, clothes, books, electronics, and toys your children have outgrown. You can then list those items on different e-commerce sites to find interested buyers. It's important to take clear, high-resolution photos of your pieces. Perform research online to find how much similar items sell for, and then price your own items competitively. 4. Tutor students online. Leverage your experience in specific subjects or your SAT/ACT knowledge to offer online tutoring to students. Promote your services in area schools and find students who have a need for your services. You can apply to work only for established online tutoring services. 5. Start a blog. If there's a topic you're particularly interested in, you could start a blog and promote it on social media to attract an audience who wants to learn about that topic. If you draw a large enough audience with your blog, you can make money from advertising. 6. Sell services online. There are lots of online sites where specialists offer their services on a contract or per project basis. Some different types of services you could offer are graphic design, website design, link building, programming, animation, or video creation. 7. Create sales funnels to promote and sell their products and services. That said, many other business owners are unaware of how sales funnels could help grow their business. Consider starting your own business selling sales funnels. There are a lot of tools you could use to build them at a low cost. 8. Sell consulting services. Another way to make money online while working from home is through consulting. If you're particularly skilled in a certain field, you may be able to find people who would pay to offer them advice on their business or personal goals. One way to show others how much knowledge you have to offer is to launch and promote your own blog. You can use social media to promote your expert content for a low cost or even for free. After gaining a few clients, you may be able to rapidly grow your business through word-of-mouth marketing. You can meet with clients virtually and schedule those appointments at times that meet your own needs. 9. Launch an online store. E-commerce is very popular right now. While major e-commerce retailers have the majority of the market share, consumers are also looking for great deals online. Consider launching a sales funnel for yourself to drive traffic and buyers to your products and services. 10. Sell your expertise by offering webinars. Webinars are a great way to sell your products as they typically follow a specific format and template that's easy to get the hang of. Once you learn how to deliver effective webinars, you can start making money from home. Webinars allow you to demonstrate directly to your audience how much additional value they'd receive if they purchased your product or service. 11. Manage social media accounts for small businesses. Small businesses often need help managing their social media accounts, and many prefer to pay someone to help for only a few hours per week as opposed to having someone managing social media full-time. Learn about the different social media sites and identify one or two that you want to specialize in. Then identify a specific industry that you want to work in. Finally, reach out to different businesses in your area that you recognize you can most help. 12. Create online courses. If you have a marketable skill that others would be interested in mastering for themselves, then consider making your own online course. There are many sites you can use to build your course. However, once it's created and launched, Online courses can be a great source of passive income. 13. Sell affiliate marketing offers. Affiliate marketing is a simple, established way to make money from home by selling the products and services that other people create, particularly if you have a website with a large amount of quality traffic already. There are a number of websites available that promote affiliate offers. Take the time to understand your audience and what they're most interested in, and then search to identify the right offer and present it to your audience. 14. Launch a podcast. A podcast is another great method for sharing your expertise with a virtual audience. The key to success with a podcast is to find a specific niche and then provide great content to grow your audience. Once you have built a large audience and are receiving a large number of downloads per episode, you can then look for ways to monetize your podcast, such as selling ads. While you may have to do some research in order to learn how to create, edit, and promote a podcast, if you're an expert on a particular topic, it's an idea that's worth considering. 15. Get a babysitting job. Babysitting is another option for making money from home. Word-of-mouth referrals are a great way to get started babysitting, although there are also a number of websites that you can use to promote your babysitting services for free. Keep in mind that most families would want their children to be cared for at their home. To make yourself more appealing to families, you may want to consider getting relevant certifications, such as a CPR certification. 16. Test websites. Another way to make money from home is by using sites that pay for your insight into how well a specific website worked. In most cases, you have to pass a test to be accepted, and then you'll be paid for each test you perform. You may even have the option of earning additional compensation to participate in a video discussion with the customer after completing the test. 17. Perform data entry. If you have quick, accurate typing skills, then you may want to consider taking an online data entry job to earn money from home. These positions can usually be performed easily online and can offer consistent income. 18. Work as a freelance writer. Companies big and small are often aiming for high-quality content to boost their ranking in search engines. If you have strong writing skills, this may be a path you want to consider. If you don't already have an online portfolio of published writing already, you may consider offering to write a few pieces for free in order to build a portfolio. 19. Offer proofreading services. If you enjoy reading, you might want to consider working from home as a freelance proofreader. Depending on whether you have a degree currently, you may want to consider investing in a proofreading course to earn more credibility with potential clients. You could offer your services to clients independently, or you may want to search for companies hiring full-time, remote proofreaders. 20. Rent out a room in your home. Listing a spare bedroom on a vacation rental website can provide easy income you can make at home. If you do so, it's important to spend time keeping your property and home clean. To ensure you maintain 100% occupancy, consider renting your home on multiple sites. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching. Click on the link available in description of our website and see our blog Also Free Download My Book for more further information.